Hi and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a relatively short video. Now in one of the previous videos I did, I showed you some of the electrical equipment, i.e. MIG welder, compressor, vacuum cleaner, in order to do some of the fabrication work on the P4 and for that matter any other cars I decide to restore. So as an ongoing project really, I'm starting to reorganise the garage and make things easier to find because I'm always losing 10mm spanners and 10mm sockets, as do most people. So to that end I've purchased a storage cabinet, mobile storage cabinet. So I thought I'd just show you through it, show you what I'm organising, and if you like this sort of video and would like to do more tool reviews, it's not a plan I've got at the moment. Most of the work's going to be done, or most of the videos rather, are going to be on the fabrication and the restoration of the P4, the Lotus Elan and the maintenance on the Range Rover Sport. So if you do want to see more on this sort of thing, then I'll do one periodically. And anyway, let's get on with this particular video. So what I've bought is a Clark 36-inch tool cabinet, lockable, although if you think about it, it's a mobile cabinet, and if someone wanted to really steal this or your tools, they could just unlock the locking wheels and have a way with it. So I'll show you what I've done so far, open some of the drawers and show you what I've got in there, and then we'll finish the video. Okay, this is a very sturdy unit, and it's got, as I say, it's got lockable drawers, and it's got one sort of tool tray and 1, 2, 3, 4 other drawers which are fairly deep, and where you can store your electrical equipment and tools, power tools, that sort of thing. So let's have a look inside. In this top drawer I've got all of my metric and imperial sockets, along with some impact drivers, some adapters here, and then we've got some more impacts and some extension bars for the impact driver, and a nice big socket there. In the next drawer down we've got a couple of torque wrenches here and here, some measuring devices, a quarter set of sockets, and then we've got some Whitworth, more metric, imperial, and some E sockets, and lots of extension bars and a few other odds and sods in there. So a dial gauge, micrometer, etc. Now the next two drawers are empty, but down in the bottom one I've got most of the power tools I have, and as I said in the last tool related video, we've got the Milwaukee angle grinder, finger sander, angled socket, angled driver, cut-off tool, air power tool, a die grinder, impact wrench, drill, various batteries and charger. So that's sort of where I am at the moment with organising. I've got a fair bit of shelf space up here, where those tools that I've just shown you used to be. So it's just given me a lot more room, and everything now is sort of organised. So as you can see, space is a little bit limited this side, but it's an ongoing process, and I'll talk about that perhaps in future videos as I get more organised in here. There are some things that need to go, and as you can see there's That's where all my oil is stored, down there. And Lotus bits and Rover P4 bits in there. Some of that might find its way into the loft for better storage. And again, more Lotus bits. Lotus twin cam block there. And various other bits and pieces. So again, short video. Let me know if you're interested in seeing any more tool reviews and updates on how the garage is progressing. Oh, before I go, I'll probably need to organise that lot as well and put a pegboard up or something. So again, that's to come. So again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please comment, and see you soon. Bye.